Welcome to my Clipper Password Manager review. Product links are below. Let's explore its key features, ideal users, and unique strengths. Clipper is a browser-based, zero-knowledge password manager built for privacy and security. Your data is encrypted locally before reaching the server, meaning even Clipper can't access your passwords. This ensures data sovereignty for privacy-conscious users. A standout feature is offline access. Download a readable backup of your vault, ensuring access even without internet. Clipper supports two-factor authentication and stores passwords, credit cards, PINs, and secure notes. The interface is minimalist yet efficient, prioritizing simplicity and security. Developers will appreciate the API for custom integrations, making it versatile for individuals and small teams. Clipper may not have all the bells and whistles of mainstream competitors like automatic updates or extensive app integrations. However, its focus on privacy and open-source transparency caters to a specific need. In short, Clipper is a robust, no-frills password manager for users prioritizing privacy, security, and offline functionality. If this sounds like you, check the links below for more details and give Clipper a try. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more tech reviews.